We had really ambitious projections for NAOV 19.04, 25.30, 31.39. Those prices have not printed, and they've not printed. It's currently up 80.42% in this pre-market session of today, the 1st of May 2025. Let's see whether we can find any news. Let's see. There's no news. Here we have further upper projections. We have upper projections here of 5.59. It's trading at 5.17 now. This is on its 4-hour chart. The daily chart is not picking up any data as the market is not open yet. So the extrapolation of its the price extrapolation of the price is such that it's going to weaken and consolidate this expansion that happened today. That's what it's indicating, with its slight bias to the upside. Outside that, nothing really, nothing much. But we are still maintaining those projections. You never know. It was because of those projections rose because of this huge spike. This is over how many trading sessions? This is let's see, within one trading session. Yeah, within a couple of hours, went from 3.07 all the way towards 11.57. Yeah, in the post market session, it was at in the after hours, it was at 3.14. When the market closed, it was at 3.14. Yeah, and by the time the market opened in the pre-market session, it was now at it had spiked. Yeah, spiked. This is let's see now. Let's see. This is 3.02. Okay, this is 3.04. So you do the maths. 3.04 all the way towards 11.50. We can do that. Let's find out. 11.50 minus 3.07. Yeah, a gain of 204%. So it's since consolidated that spike, that volatility expansion with a bias to the downside. But it was the point I'm trying to make is that it was because of that that we had those projections. So here we have, let's see what this projection is: 12.4, 18.91. You can see 24.27, 27.58. So it wasn't just us that was getting ambitious. The algos were equally getting ambitious. The thing about some of these projections that one day they may print again. I believe this is a low float stock as well. I believe, and then NAOV is a low float stock. I think we can quickly find out if it's a low float stock. Let's see. Let's see if it's a low float stock. 0.8 820,000 shares. Yeah, so that chance is always there. So currently holding the gains of 80.42%. The extrapolation is that it might consolidate, but this is it's highly volatile. These extrapolations, they're very short time into extrapolation, which is the extrapolation of the price. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. You can clearly see that this is a low float stock. Not very long ago, it spiked from this sort of levels where it's closed out yesterday, the 30th of April, to the highs of around 11.97. It may have been higher than that. We can even try and see whether we can see the previous data. We can see this is the 1 hour chart. We can use the 4-hour chart. It might give us an indication of it might be easier to find out. Let's see if we can scroll back. Yeah, not able to do so. Yeah, so yeah, it's a low float stock, and anything can happen. So but at the same time, this is not an investment grade stock. If you know how to trade it, yeah, by all means do so. Just be careful, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.